there's been a lot more Asians now starting in racing.
Really?
Because within the racing community, especially in British karting and in early stages of racing, because the highest thing you can win actually at a national level, that's the only thing higher is Formula 1 in the UK is probably British Formula 3. Like, it's very prestigious. Like Senna, a lot of very good drivers came from it. It's a very prestigious championship. So when I won that in the racing community, not just winning that, winning a world championship, I got good recognition. Alhamdulillah, I got good recognition. So then when I go back sometimes to the karting world and I see it, and you see a lot more British Asians now coming into it. And partially the reason why, from what I understood when they come talk to me, is because we never seen a guy. No, not only I did it, but I won it. I won a world championship. I won a European championship. So then now all these kids are coming to, which is really, really good. You see a lot more diversity. When I was doing it, zero. It was literally me. That was it.
Yeah.
Zero.